This is your last present for this year. And your next present will be on
Next Christmas.
next Christmas. And that's it. That's on December 2025.
One of your toys you
Yeah.
want to open, you can open it.
But if it's white.
Come on, you can take anything.
From there, yes. Get one of your toys, eh?
That's one. Let's check first who.
This one?
That's whom from.
From Zeki.
The papa.
That's from Zeki. What is it? Okay. Remote control.
Come on,
The
now,
gun
go
truck.
get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about your little one? Come on.
Oh, get one, baby. Come on.
Most of these with batteries. This one. It's supposed to be
Nice.
with batteries.
Oh, the ano. Rocker.
I'll get one more.
Get one. But
Put
open
it-
one.
Put there in your the first one there.
Yes.
Look at that. I wonder what is inside it.
What is it? Ah, mermaid laying thing.
What is that?
Wow.
Come here,
Yeah, it's bad.
Wow.
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 Hey.
Hey! So nice.
One A, two A,
Who gave that one?
Can close. My turn.
That's so nice. A.
Oh, next, kuya.
Next, kuya.
Oh, next, AA.
Put the slipper, Amanda.
I want this one. Let's see what it is.
Oh, let's check kuya's one.
See.
Let's check kuya.
Go get one. Go get one, boy.
That is from who?
That's from.
John Dre.
John Ray.
Oh, get one.
Wow.
It's a book.
What is it?
Come on.
Lost of Letters of Christmas. Okay, we'll read it
Wow.
one day.
And this is
The video.
from Kuya Jaden.
From Kuya Jaden.
What is it?
Yeah, over there, Kuya.
Yay. It's a book.
Wow.
It's a book also. What's the title of the book?
Like Ellie. Let's see it.
What's the title of the book? Let me see.
Let me see. What is the title, AA? This is
It's Little Snowman. Wow.
Can it move? No, it's my turn.
Okay,
Get
go.
move. Okay. Put it
Okay.
here. Then go get another gift. Come
This
on.
one.
Over there.
I will. This one? Merry Christmas, Ezra.
From whom?
Tita April.
Tita April.
Wow. Tita April and Tita Chris.
What is it?
Go get one. Any? Yes.
Whoa!
Oh, it works. Dinosaur.
Wow.
And this
There's
one.
another one. Ah, it's painting.
Wow. How about this one?
Either.
This?
Mommy.
It's from whom?
Oh no, this is not yours. Enough. This is Kuya. Go get from there. From there.
Yeah, that's your
Yes.
side. Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Mine?
Yes, this is
Wait lang, let's open for Amanda. Come here, sit down, kuya.
This is from Nana and Tata.
Ah, that's from Nanay and Tatay.
Yes.
Put that book
Wow.
there.
Hey. Wow. Hey, look at this.
Oh, wait lang, kuya. Oh, let's check for another.
Yeah. Okay.
So you read it.
From Tita Jessie.
And Tita Claudette. Oh, Tito Jess and Tita Claudette.
Yes.
Open it.
Mommy, there's another one.
Yes.
Mommy, this is my bag.
Yes.
That's a book. It's so small. It's too hard.
Yes.
Mommy, where's another
Let's remove this
picture?
one.
Where's another picture?
Yes, finish.
Oh, it's that.
Wow.
My clothes.
It's clothes. It's a
Wow.
pair.
Can you open it?
Pajama.
Wow.
It's so long.
Pajama.
But thank God you got pajama.
Some pajamas.
Come on.
Mommy, can you open it?
Yeah, I'll go get a Caesar.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one.
I accidentally said it and I want this.
Okay, that's from whom?
Oh, Tita Miriam.
It's from Tita Miriam.
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
Oh, I want to sit here. This is
Here.
can I sit here?
Yeah.
Hey,
Nana is there. Come
hey,
on.
put this. Hey, put.
Open it.
Oh, see?
What's that? What's the title? Read it.
Children's Bible.
The Children's Bible. Nice.
Wow.
Then you want the lion's den.
Wow, I like that
Dang,
too,
yeah.
yeah.
Hey, wait.
Oh,
Minecraft?
Minecraft.
Wait, what is in here?
Yay.
Stickers.
Sticker book.
Okay, put it there. Next.
Oh.
Put your Bible there.
You got baby. So what's the name of your baby?
Baby.
Baby doll.
Oh.
Keep it there. You got more. So open.
Oh,
More
hey,
presents
keep
to open.
here. Your toys, keep here.
I'll get one more.
Come on.
And that's my
Get another.
smaller.
Yeah, we'll
get
check
there,
first.
Get
What
there,
is
get
my smaller?
Later on, you
Get
say
one.
get one more
Mama, can
there.
I find my smaller?
Yeah, later on it will come. Come here, Amanda.
Jenga!
Get one, get one. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jenga!
Let's go. That's from Nana and Tata.
Yes, for you.
Let's go!
We will play this one later on.
Jenga!
How about Amanda?
This is from Zeki and Lexi. Yay!
Oh, there's another Barbie.
For you.
Later on, come on. Let's. You got more presents to open.
We'll keep it
No.
there. Go get another
Oh,
one.
what's that?
Yes, come
What's-
on. Yes, come
Look.
on, open for
Hold on. Nana, the next gift.
Oh my
Wow!
That's not the next gift.
This is our gift for Kuya, me and Nana.
Oh. This one, open your gift.
Oh my, what's that?
This one.
Okay, let's open it. Come on.
Oh, and this one, Kuya, come on. Yay! Oh, get another toy, Kuya. I gift.
Wait lang, let's open for Amanda. We get one, then we open this first. Wait lang, Kuya, don't open that yet.
Okay.
Open it, Amanda. Oh, it's for Nana and Tata, from Nana and Tata. Oh, what's that?
Mama.
Is it a stroller?
Stroller.
Stroller for your baby.
Baby.
Wait lang, Kuya.
And what's the other one?
Wait lang.
Oh.
There's, oh.
Now look
For
at it.
Kuya, who's
Kuya.
the card?
From Ellie and Leah.
Let me see. Close.
Wow.
Look at it. Close, baby.
You like it?
Yeah, let me close.
That's what Rose.
What is it? Daddy, I'm gonna read. I told you it's close.
Sweater. Is it? Yeah, later on we will play that.
Wait.
We got more presents, oh.
There.
You don't want the other presents to open?
Hey, this is
And
your Christmas AA.
look. Here is the drink.
What's that? Look. It's a book again.
Hey, look.
I think that's from Tita Miriam.
Wow. No, I think this is from Tita April. Kasi it's the same with Ezra.
Okay.
Now
It's not written there.
Oh
No.
my God.
Thank you, Tita April. What's that?
Oh my
What's that
God.
from? Who's that from?
The one in the card.
Let's see.
Who's that? Dear Ezra Jacob, love, Tito Tita Jo Andy and Tito Nante and Kuya Ulrich. Oh, another one.
Wow.
You see? Can you see? Open nice.
And the
Next.
and the last.
Hey, from Tito Jess and Tita Clara.
That's for me.
Yes.
That's not for you.
That's another clothes.
This is not for you.
Yay.
Last present.
Is that your last present?
Go get-
Careful,
yeah,
careful, you will have to come here.
The last present of all time. The guys
Oh, wait
what
lang,
you're
wait lang. Let's
waiting
open that
for.
one. Let's open for
Tito
Amanda.
Jo and
Come
Tito
here.
Nante.
Come here.
Mama, I
Wait lang, Kuya, wait
this
lang.
all by myself and go
Wow. Yay.
This is another clothes like this.
Yes. Go get also
My
that.
turn.
Wait lang, because that's your last. Amanda got more
Didn't
presents.
open yet, Annie.
Oh.
So we'll
This is
finish yours.
from Emilia and Ellie. Yay!
It's
Yay!
pretty close, I think.
Wow!
Now can I open it?
Wow.
Taking it really I opened it.
Okay. Kuya will open. Come here, come here.
The last gift. Let me
Come
open
here.
this one.
Sit down.
Okay.
Oh, sit down.
This
Open
big
it.
one.
last person.
This big one. It's upside down. This one. It's upside down.
Wow.
Wow.
It's so big.
I got ripped it open.
Ah, it's on the other side.
I opened my mother. I'm gonna pick Open it. Open. Mommy, and the last
Wow.
one is mine.
From your namin, tatay.
My last
What
one.
your nanay?
Yes,
Put it there.
namin tatay.
Big one.
Yay!
Wow. What's that?
Amanda.
Yeah, that's Amanda. But what's that toy?
It's Peppa.
Peppa Pig's airplane.
Here's
So we
your
got more. Kuya,
toy.
is that from Amanda?
Yeah.
I think this is from Tita Miriam.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is from Tita
And
Miriam.
I have a stocking.
Wow, that's a big one.
Wow! Activity set!
And there's one more.
Hey, one more for you
There's
from
one more.
namin tatay.
Another one. Wow, milk. Oh, this is for whom?
From the Rando.
Randos. Thank you, Rando family.
Wow! Yay!
Thank
We
you
got
for the
more
mindset.
set.
Two from here. From home.
This
I think that's from Tita Miriam.
Let's see what's this.
That's it.
A year of sweet treats, a recipe for every month. Calendar! Wow, we've got calendar.
Yeah, later.
And we've got
We're opening the gift one.
Tita Miriam, I think.
Yeah, I think it's from Tita Miriam.
Yay! Chocolate! Yay!
It's not healthy.
Yes, it is. It's just, we'll just eat one chocolate a day.
Oh, come on.
X.
Tatay. More, more.
More, there's more.
Yes.
This
This is from the Kunana.
Nice. Camille Paul's family.
I like my white pizza.
You like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
What is that? A Kindle.
Yay.
So good, guys.
Nice. Okay. Next, from Grant and Jenny.
You ready?
May this season fill your hearts with love, joy, and prosperity. Amen. This,
Oh, socks.
I think more. Oh, socks, yeah. Pair of socks. Next one. This is secret. Oh, chocolate.
No, I'm not clear.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Try again.
Like hot cocoa mix.
Mommy,
This
can
is
you help me?
Occasion family
From-
from April. I think this is from April.
Mommy, can you help
Castillos.
me?
From the
Yeah.
Castillos.
Chocolate.
Mommy, can you
Wow.
help me?
It's open.
We'll just open the gift and then we'll help you, okay? Okay, Kuya?
Once we
Once we open the gifts, that's the time we open. Let me see. Ay! Wow! Wow! Oh, cute!
Mommy, there's another one.
Yeah, we'll open for these things.
Next one.
What's that?
This is the last one.
Ah,
This
this
is
is
my secret Santa. Let me see. This is my secret Santa.
from your...
Wow, luxury mini fragrances. then,
This is the same as Ellie. I don't care.
wow, flower
Nice.
market. Next,
Are we gonna open my working
Yeah,
paper?
let's finish first this one.
wow.
Via. Pambabae. Come here.
Next one. Wow, face and mask for you. Then, what's this? Merry Christmas. This is pamper gift. Self-care. Wow.
Self-care. Ito pambabae.
And this is Secret Santa. Ah!
Electric blanket. That's your wish list.
Wish list. Wow!
Nice.
Actually, this is for Kuya because this is small.
Okay.
What, Kuya?
This is for your bed.
What?
One wish list.
And this is
Wait, Aman.
from...
I think that's from your pogi husband.
Yes! Tatay JM! To nanay!
This is a gift for your nanay.
Let's see. Ah! Wow!
Sige pa.
Wow! Let's see.
Pandora.
Wow!
This is another one.
Wow!
Earrings.
Earrings?
Yes.
Is that for you?
And necklace. Nice.
Thank you!
Earring? Mommy, is that
Okay,
you?
next.
Yes.
There's more.
Bye-bye.
What are those? I think there's
That's for us. I think that's for us. That's for us, yeah.
Mom, we have love.
From Damaso!
So I'm gonna picture you.
Damaso. Wow! Hindi ko pa nabubuksan mo. Wow! Grabe!
pang-bake.
Wow! Thanks, Damaso!
That's
What?
one.
There's more.
This one.
That's for, actually, hindi na pa.
Lalo pa dito.
Sige.
I think that's from my company's
Yeah.
previous companies.
Your secret Santa. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
The gifts from my company.
Wow.
That's the one.
Mom, I have this lighting thing.
That's the chocolate.
Rocco. Then, next.
Mommy, is it Christmas now?
I think
Wow.
that's the legs.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Hirap lang yung Puzzle, Lord of the Rings.
Is it yours?
Yeah, next.
And then yours.
Think my
And
secret.
that's mine.
This is my secret Santa.
Is this my mirror?
Secret Santa.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's this.
No, I want to see.
Ah.
Where is it?
It's black.
Ah,
It's black.
it's like a chopping board.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
It's black.
Ah, nice.
I'm gonna try it. Is it black?
Yes, nice.
And this is from Nanay. From my wife. Okay. Let's open
Oh.
it.
Open it.
Go. And I will give those to you.
Ah.
Wait lang. What's this? Apple Watch. Napalitan na din to. Nice. Very nice. Excited.
Go, Dad.
One of
For you.
Yes, finish.
I will say this again. This is your last present for this year. And your next present will be on
Next Christmas.
next Christmas. And that's it. That's on December 2025.
Daddy, I'm right.
Yeah, that's alright. Is that alright, guys?
Daddy, I'm right.
Yeah, is that alright? Okay.
I have a right.
So we will not buy any more toys until
2025.
2025, December 2025, because we will focus on your
Gifts.
focus on your clothes.
Clothes and shoes.
Clothes and shoes. This is more important, isn't it?
Mommy,
Yeah, and then we will buy more books.
with my big boy.
And we will buy more books, okay?
Yeah.
So, who's the real Santa?
Jesus.
Jesus. Very good. He's the real giver, okay? Right? So,
Jesus is the reason for
For-
this season. We celebrate His birth. Alright, love?
Not Santa.
not
not
Santa.
Santa.
Yes, it's Jesus. So, let's
Come
say
here.
again another. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas! God bless!
Merry Christmas. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I'm liking with my boy.
Okay.
Wait, I want to see what I have.
Okay.
Yeah, you've got